Alright guys, Racer Raceworks coming back at ya. I just wanted to do a quick unboxing of this. Show you what we got coming for the Skyline in a future video. Dang. So if you couldn't tell already, we got a front mount intercooler for the Skyline. Now, I don't want to fully unbox this right now. I just really wanted to open it up, make sure everything was at least here. Let's see what we got here. I did end up opting in for the one that had the pipe for the blow-off valve as well, which surprisingly I've heard that they're interchangeable with Subaru, but by the look of the flange I highly doubt that. Quality seems okay. The spring doesn't seem all that stiff. I can actually move it with my finger. But I mean, it is not a fast car. It's just an RB20. I believe it made like 140 horsepower at most. And I don't expect to make this a race car by any means. I just wanted to fill the gap in the Origin front bumper, which I don't think I have shown you. But maybe I can give you a quick sneak peek. Okay guys, so I was just talking about the Skyline needing something in the front bumper. As you can see here, there is all this space of just grossness. So yeah, hopefully the front mount will fit nicely in here. Probably have to trim the bumper up a hair, I'm sure, but that's kind of expected with a front mount. Alright, so we're back over at the box again. Looks like these are just all clamps. We have those bolts and the little, it's like a shield or something, or a bracket to kind of push the pipe away or something. I know that this one goes on top of the intercooler core, but I couldn't figure out where this one goes, that's marked with the CXRACING. I'm not sure if I actually mentioned it in the beginning of this video, but this is a CXRACING front mount. I ordered it on eBay for $5 something. Well, I almost thought, it almost feels like this might be bent a little bit. But either way, this might actually be the one that mounts, you know, underneath the bumper, and then it'll like mount to the bottom of the intercooler maybe. But I'm not really sure. Let's we can move some of this stuff for now. I probably won't actually open the core until we go to install it. So this is just kind of like a part 1 video for you guys to just show you some of the contents, what you get right out of the box. It did not seem like a very complicated kit by any means. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's actually only 5 pipes, and that includes the one for the blow-off valve as well. And again, just a couple intercooler couplers and intercooler core and just some brackets to get it all lined up squared. So hopefully in the next few weeks, or maybe even month or so, you know, I'm looking at getting a new place, so hopefully we'll have a new home for the Skyline and the Legacy. At that point, then the Skyline can go under the knife some more with the front mount, and then see what kind of noises she makes. Now, I'm not sure if I could just put the blow-off valve on beforehand. Maybe I'll actually take a look at the flange. Which, the flange seems very Subaru, and then the blow-off valve they sent me seems very Universal. So, I do have the HKS. It's a real HKS SQV on the Subaru. I was planning on actually swapping that out with this one. And then I was going to put the Bag Riders Noah was going to give me a Perrin blow-off valve for the Subaru. So that way I could have the HKS on the Skyline, the Perrin on the Subaru, and then this will probably just be like a shelf ornament more so than an actual functional part. Mainly just looks like a grittier tile wrap or something. No branding, no marking. Just soft, hard blow-off valve. But yeah, so these pipes would all get replaced with the front mount. This pipe down here gets replaced as well. This pipe up here gets replaced with that blow-off valve flange on it. And then there is a pipe, I believe, that goes through this side somewhere. I could be wrong on that, because I almost think that the stock intercooler is just in this corner. I've done very little research on this, to be honest. But now that parts are here, I can do some more research and see what we got. Again, we're just going to put this on pause for a little bit until we're able to move into a new place, get an actual garage space with some room to work on these things. And then we'll be going to town with some mods and going from there. So be sure to stay tuned, and we'll be back